Are you serious? I mean, are you serious? What? We've got some crazy stuff going on in space. First of all, we've got a dust storm that's blowing all over Mars, and we got an asteroid that's going to go racing by the Earth today and one even closer tomorrow. And we didn't even know those were there. But first, let me interrupt this right now. Let me break in right now that, folks, noblegoldinvestments.com, check with them. All right. I promised that all week I'd put a shout out to you guys. They're a Christian company, family owned, and very nice people. And a lot of folks are saying, I don't know what to do. I'm retiring. I got a 401k. I got an IRA. And I don't know what to do with it. I don't know where I should put it. I don't know how to protect it. And some of you may have just gotten your inheritance or situation, or maybe it was an insurance settlement. And again, where should you put, should you diversify in this crazy world we're in? Look, I don't have those answers. I know about Jesus, and I know he's the one that can set you free, and I know he's the one that can save you. I know how you should be prepared spiritually. But when it comes to this, go to their website, noblegoldinvestments.com. All right. Now, this situation here, it's beyond my comprehension. This just keeps happening, guys. We just keep having asteroids. There's so many of them. Now, they just discovered one 2 hours ago. It's now 2018 LV3. This asteroid is going to go scraping by the Earth at 0.9 lunar distance. We didn't even know it existed. It's an 18-meter diameter rock. That thing is almost the size of the one that hit in Russia back in February of 2013 and damaged 1,500 buildings and hurt over 1,500 people. So what I'm saying to you is they just keep happening. Just every day. Matter of fact, here's what they're saying on a report. Scientists are saying potentially hazardous asteroids are space rocks that are larger than approximately, a size of a car or a city bus or something. If these things come closer than 0.5 lunar distance, then there's no guarantees. Now, what we have today is we have one today and one tomorrow. The one today is asteroid 2018 LD1. It is scheduled to miss us by 1.6 lunar distance. So we're okay with that one. But tomorrow's is much closer. It's 2018 LV3. It's closer than the moon, which means you're in the danger zone. You're in the bullseye area. Get out of there. So again, here they come. Now, Jesus said this is going to happen. He said, look, in the last days, there's going to be signs in the sun, the moon, the stars, and distress of nations with perplexity, sea and waves roaring. What do you call the epicenter of the apocalypse? Hawaii. 207 earthquakes in the last 24 hours that are 2.5 or higher around the globe. Just incredible, off the charts. Volcanic lays or haze blowing in with tiny glass particles in Hawaii. A dust storm on Mars right now it's an apocalyptic dust storm. We've got a little rover up there called the Opportunity, and it's buried in the middle of this. We've lost it. It's buried. It's in the dust storm as I speak to you. Asteroids are increasing on an astronomical scale. The cosmos are shaking. The earth's quaking. The volcanoes are breaking. My mind is aching. The devil's back is breaking. And no, there was no eggs and bacon. I mean, we're talking about the apocalypse. The apocalypse. Calm down, everybody. But this is what Jesus said was going to happen. And so, I come on here every day and I try to tell you, I try to warn you. I mean, we got amoebas in Louisiana's water eating this kid's brain. We've got the plague in Idaho. That hasn't been there since 1992. We have 150,000 Israeli soldiers gathering on the border up at the Golan Heights with Syria. We have Syrian soldiers gathering by the thousands and closer to the border to Israel, with soldiers from Iran putting on the Syrian uniforms, militants, Shiite Muslims coming out of Iraq and out of Afghanistan, putting on Syrian uniforms, Hezbollah, radical terrorists, putting on the uniforms to be with Syria. What does that mean? I mean, are they getting ready for Armageddon?
And people are having dreams and visions of massive tsunamis, of landslides, we got wildfires burning completely out of control right now in Colorado. We had hail in Colorado Springs yesterday, bigger than a tennis ball, crashing through car windows and breaking through people's roofs. Just the water turning blood red. Look, it's going on everywhere. A lake of fire in Hawaii, in the largest lake on the Big Island, turned from 200 foot deep. We're talking about a lake that's 200 foot deep, huge, beautiful paradise. Now, as the lava got to it, it dissolved. It literally evaporated the water and filled the lake with lake of fire. Are you saved? Are you serious? Don't miss today's live broadcast. Corey Stewart, who just won the Republican primary in Virginia, who just got endorsed yesterday. President Trump tweeting about Corey Stewart taking down Tim Kaine, Hillary Clinton's vice presidential running mate. Well, Corey Stewart's going to be on my show today. You don't want to miss this interview. Are you serious? What's going on? Something biblical's going on with the signs of the second coming of Christ. It's good versus evil. It's the people against the Illuminati. It's the end times. Are you saved?